How to get more views on YouTube for free in 2022. A meme went viral on social media a few days ago. A boy was showing how to get 1 million YouTube views within 1 week. The video itself got only 7 views, and it's been posted 2 years ago. Well, jokes apart. The irony is, clickbait videos does generate a certain amount of hit. But like anything else, no one can be fooling around for a long time. If you analyze all the top trending YouTube videos and channels, they all have 2 things in common. 1, they always deliver promises and values. 2, they are strategically consistent. You can't become a YouTube success overnight. It takes time and continuous effort. Here are a few websites and ways that can increase your video views. 1. Facebook. According to YouTube, more than 500 years worth of YouTube video content is watched on Facebook every day. And 40% of people who watch these videos share video links with their online friends. You'll discover it's easy to promote your YouTube channel and its content on Facebook. By announcing new YouTube videos on your Facebook page and providing a link that leads to your YouTube channel. Alternately, you can embed your latest YouTube videos in your Facebook page so they can be watched on Facebook. At the same time, it's possible to use paid Facebook advertising to attract new viewers to your YouTube channel or a specific video and simultaneously boost your following on Facebook. 2. Stormviews. The best place to get YouTube subscribers is none other than Stormviews. This website has quickly risen in popularity, and right now, it is one of the top options of many YouTube creators, and with good reason. Stormviews offers you the most reliable and trustworthy services as real users are interacting with your YouTube channel. The genuine subscribers, likes, and views are delivered quickly, and you will definitely come back to order more. If you have any questions, you can always contact the support team of Stormviews, which is available to you 24/7. 3. Use a custom and bogey thumbnail to get more views on YouTube. According to YouTube, 9 out of 10 of the most viewed YouTube videos use a custom thumbnail. Thumbnails are the first impressions of your YouTube videos. It engages viewers instantly and tells them what your video is about. The good news is you can customize and optimize the thumbnails. 4. TikTok. There are many similarities between TikTok and YouTube. Both are platforms to watch and engage with content, but like any other video creator, you're going to need to evolve and significantly up your game if you want to succeed on YouTube. Yes, you'll bring some of your audience with you, but to grow your subscriber base and generate the kind of views and engagement needed to generate on and off-platform income. 5. Viralift. Viralift is one of the most well-known places to get YouTube views and anything else you need for your social media accounts. It is one of the websites that offer you plans to grow your YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Spotify, SoundCloud, and Twitter accounts. As far as YouTube goes, Viralift offers you subscribers, views, and likes, all things that boost your channel's engagement and make it stand out from your competition. The only thing that you need to do is purchase a plan according to your needs, and then paste the URL of the video you want to boost.